And what did Mike break, Glenn?
That's not going to want to come out.
Half-inch nut.
That's not going to come out.
Pull.
Just set that and put that in the vise and hit it with a thing.
Yeah.
Half on a half.
Oh,
There you go.
all right.
More wrenching. More breaking stuff. Now that, worst comes to worst, I can drill it out and we can have a lesson on broken hardware removal.
Oh, you know what?
And bloody knuckles.
Broken hardware removal
extension?
would be a fun
Yeah.
class. Yeah. Glenn knows all about that. Ooh. Oh, hey, video on video again. Hi. Hi. Just gotta go, Mike.
Waiting for an extension.
You gonna make another bolt go break?
So how is this held on up here? Is that
That's
Why did it not fit?
permanent?
factory welded. It's a actually, give me the PB.
Hi. I just want anyone really in April.
PB blaster.
Maybe tomorrow. When
PB blaster.
You may have to push it. You need a longer one.
You know what I mean?
We all have needed a longer one, but that's another story.
There you go. That's all. There's just time get in the way.
I know.
No, you don't.
No, I don't.
So does anyone know what these plastic pieces go to?
No. Plastic
But they were on this from this car because that's.
I'm coming. Hold on.
That's a door to something.
We got the bolt door.
There you go.
Yeah, we did that on the other side too. Go get the can of PB blaster. It's on the cart and hit the rest of them real quick. Yeah, the one in the same spot on the other side. Imagine that. That's two sides went boom.
Here, the PB's coming.
How's the sway bar, old girl?
Well, I need a
Spray it.
6 points.
You swaying the bar?
Can I borrow your 6 point, Grant?
Needs to be a 9/16.
Oh, dear.
Isn't it?
Oh, you had a.
Did it
No,
break?
this is a half.
It's another one. Yes.
Yeah, it broke.
No. Oh, why are we shooting the same thing?
And then this bolt on the top, we just pry it out. Or?
Yeah, it's fine for now. We'll do it. We'll have a little.
I got these. This side is loose.
Oh yeah.
We need to. I haven't broken.
It's
this
okay
side
for
yet.
now. Because it's just the bump stop bracket.
Leave them a little bit loose because we need to break this one still. Up in here.
Yeah.
I got kids.
So once this is off, we
They
can
are
get to
great
that.
pillars.
But we'll get all this other shit out first.
So I can buy a new bolt door.
You
can get both sides.
It's short enough.
Yeah, that's
That other one I didn't have long enough one, so I straightened it and re-tapped it, and it's good to go.
yeah. Wick fixed your bolt.
Oh, you did?
Wick fixed it.
Oh, thank you.
Fixed it.
Fixed
I mean,
it.
Glenn will tell you I'm straight.
So this nut stays on here then?
Yeah, that stays. That's factory.
Isn't the bolt still in there?
Yeah, but we'll drill it out.
We gotta
Yes.
drill it out.
We'll drill it out and extract it. We're good at that.
Oh, look at you.
Kind of. Only it's more fun. And this is this.
No, I need to break it.
Unless you break
I need
the
a 6
little
point
bit and it goes in your
thing
mouth.
to break it.
So in other words, as soon as
Yeah,
he's
don't
done with
get-
this one, you
yeah.
gotta give it.
I've had like
Yeah, don't-
grinders,
yeah, don't-
wheels explode.
Yeah,
And
don't
like
take
the
it all the
chunks
way out.
go in your arm and stuff. You just keep going. It's like, yeah, I'm fine.
Eating for mechanics. Have a whole
Well, that was more.
whatever
That was
they
more.
charge?
That was more the fabrication department. That was
No, I think
building
this is
stuff.
long enough.
Now you know. Now you know why you don't question
It's a little rusty. Is that?
He's like, oh, that's decent. They didn't die. Run the card. Yeah, we do all kinds
Yeah,
of
you
stuff.
gotta take a screwdriver through it like a
Woo!
flat bladed
Look
screwdriver.
at that. Grant's on the job.
You chisel it.
Grant sent on the job.
You have a hammer in your hand and you're chiseling it.
Look at that.
That might
We're moving tonight.
That's a factory
I got a
Ford
little
bolt.
dirty. That's okay.
I have a bunch of
More
those.
dirty.
Oh, hi, Scotty.
Hey,
How are you?
good. I'm doing a double film over here. We got a bar and a bolt that hopefully won't break on this side.
Nice. Well, we're. There we go.
Yeah.
Careful.
Yeah.
Careful.
Just give it. If it gives you a lot of trouble, just turn it a little bit back and tighten it back up again.
There it goes. I saw it
Now
move.
stop and come back and tighten it back up again.
Yeah, work it back and forth, Mike.
If you move it a third of an inch,
Up.
move it just a.
Do you remember when
Like
you
good.
and
Stop. Now
with
go. Just
Alright,
go
so you can
back
pound that
and
out.
forth,
like
back and
a
forth like that.
bag or
Just a
anything?
little bit. Now this time try
I
to.
think there
So
might be a background,
we got
but
one
they
more
were
on this side
Good. And then
to
There
either
wasn't like a
unbolt
like
or
a
break
bag.
off.
like oh like a
Right?
oh like a
No, this one broke back here, but it's okay.
No.
When everything's out of here,
Oh, you can.
we got a straight shot. It's easy. Oh, girl, what you doing?
Oh,
One
I'm
on the
taking
other
your
side,
taking your
snap.
air sway bar.
Is sway bar?
Air sway.
Sway.
Oh boy.
Oh boy.
So we get that off, and then compressing the spring is always fun and/or terrifying.
You did what you could.
Yeah.
Oh, so we can't. This can't.
No, we have to take the spring out first. We have to compress the spring, pull it out, and then we can pull the arm.
Gotta come out.
Yes, because we have to rebuild this arm.
Okay. What about, did we find the
gonna be fun.
spring
And then-
compressor tool?
Yes, it's already out.
Oh, you found it?
We can already got
okay.
that out.
Just checking.
Good follow-up.
One more.
Good follow-up, Allie. Good follow-up.
Almost.
We got our supervisor.
Luna,
Miss Luna. Yep. Miss Luna's here.
has she fired anybody yet?
No, not yet that we're aware of.
She's not even looking. She's looking the other way.
She's just looking to see who's going to bring her treats.
Bird? Someone's a treat?
Nope, Mom said no more treats. She gets no more treats.
All right, here you go.
Well, that's for the time being.
Go, Grant.
That's until Mom decides that she needs another treat. Is that the way that works?
There it goes. That one's unthreading. Or it's going to bind itself and break, but whatever.
All right.
Get it, get it, get it. Up, it let
Buy one
go.
get one free, Peter.
All right, so we get to drill
got
out 3 on
one
this
out.
side. That's good.
Multiple.
I have the one that lived, by the way.
So does it need to be like cleaned or?
This will end
brushed
up
or-
getting cleaned. We do need to get new bump stops for this, which easy to get. So that goes in the cleanup.
We're just going here.
Put it in there for now. Here's the actual bolt that didn't die. I'm gonna stick
You
it.
should have one more on
here.
the inside of there. Yep.
So it's everything.
You've got one on each
Yeah,
side.
so we don't lose it. Look at that, boys. All right,
That
so
might
we're
be
gonna
better.
compress this
That's what
spring.
happens. See if that'll work a little better.
No, there's a tool. Ooh! Oh, girl's got spray bar.
I'm thinking we might want to look into hardware here. This is
like
Yes, that's pretty commonplace
yeah,
stuff.
because it'll be cold and it'll shrink.
yeah, that looks like it's had it because they were tight all the way coming out because they were
What's
just
that
rusted to shit.
What's that had?
They've had it.
Is that it?
They've had it.
Yeah, those are done.
4 of them?
4 of them.
Half course by 1.5 ish. Okay, spring compressor.
They're probably 5/16.
Yeah, 5/16 or half head. Sorry, 5/16, 18.
So these just rest on this.
Yeah, the spring loads and loads. So we're going to pull this out, and that's the next video.